I don't think you committed a crime. I presume you're innocent. Campbell, you have to take your hat off for court, okay? Thank you. And I'm just waiting for files to come in. Give me just a minute.
But this is what people do. They use people's names and stuff. And he lost his wallet twice. Duane ain't no car salesman. He ain't sold nobody no car.
All right, Mr. Campbell, can you go someplace private and get a lot of talking in the background? I need to just be able to hear you.
That's my mom.
All right, this is the People versus Duane Campbell, 2536260M.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Guzicki on behalf of Mr. Campbell, asking the court to set aside the warrant. As purposes of arraignment, we waive readings.
The hearing begins with the judge addressing Mr. Campbell, who arrived hours late to court. The judge quickly reminds him that court isn't optional. When a judge orders you to appear, it's not a request.
Stand mute, request a personal bond, and this matter be set for a settlement conference in person.
All right, sir, can you tell me your first and last name? Oh, Mr. Campbell, can you tell me your first and last name?
Duane Campbell.
All right, Mr. Campbell, I've entered a not guilty plea on your behalf. Sir, you were supposed to be here in person hours ago. You understand that?
Yes.
Okay, well, I want you to understand respectfully that that's not a request. I'm not asking you to come, I'm telling you to come. And I had just issued a show cause for you because the complainants and everyone showed up when they were supposed to, and you weren't here. You cannot come to court. Did you graduate high school, sir?
No.
Okay, did you go to school?
Yes.
Remember how classes started at a certain time and you had to be there on time or you get in trouble?
Yes.
That's how court is. I can issue a warrant for your arrest or show cause you.
To explain the seriousness, the judge compares court to school. When class starts at a certain time, you must be there on time. Being late to court can even lead to a warrant for arrest.
20 minutes after the hearing time. You can't do that, especially when there are other parties involved, because we can't pre-try your case. I can't do anything today because we've already released the complainants and told them they could go on with their day because you're hours late for court. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so see no prior history whatsoever.
No.
All right, sir, I've entered a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm giving you a $2,000 personal bond. That means you don't have to post any money, okay, Mr. Campbell?
Okay, thank you.
Yep, these are your bond conditions. You're to appear in court as directed. You're not to leave the state without permission of the court. You're not to commit any new crimes while released. You're to immediately notify the court of change of address or phone number. Sir, you cannot have any contact with Tina, and I don't know if you know her or not. The complainant in this case, Tina Irk.
Ma'am, I don't know who none of these people is. I don't know why my name is getting brought up in this stuff. I ain't never did.
Mr. Campbell, today, so I understand that, and here's how that'll work. If that's the case, your attorney and the prosecutor will get to the bottom of it. Okay, but if it's not if that's the case, someone used your ID to commit a crime. And I'm not saying what the case is right now because I don't know any facts, but your attorney has indicated to me that might be the case. So him and the prosecutor will do some investigating before you come back to court. And maybe the complainants come in and they get a look at you and go, that's not the guy, right? But you're charged with the crime because it was done in your name. So we have to do these court hearings to either find out if you are the one that committed the allegations or if someone else stole your identity and did it, okay? So either way, I have to have a court hearing and you have to come in because we can't take care of it and get to the bottom of it if you're not at court, right?
All right, okay.
So I know you might not know her. I'm telling you, you can't have any contact with her. If you don't know her, that shouldn't be an issue, right?
Okay, I don't. She said you said her name is Tina.
Tina Erkfritz.
Tina, what the
Is
heck?
this an allegation that he sold something to them? Is that what the allegation is?
Yeah, he sold a car, a 2019 Equinox for $4,000, which is kind of.
Well, that's a good price, right?
Yeah, it's like.
But it was a stolen vehicle or not?
It was a repossessed vehicle, it was a bad title and all that kind of stuff.
Okay, so that's the allegation, Mr. Campbell. Right now you are presumed innocent. While I'm looking at you right.
Despite the confusion surrounding the case, the judge emphasizes an important legal principle. The defendant is presumed innocent, and it's up to the government to prove guilt beyond a reasonable doubt.
Now, I don't think you committed a crime. I presume you're innocent, and the government has to prove you're guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Okay?
Okay.
But you have to go through the legal process to take care of it. All right?
Okay.
But Mr. Campbell, do you have transportation?
No.
Is that your mom with you?
Yeah, it's my mom. Yeah. Cause I don't know about court, so I had my mom come with me. I don't know.
He don't commit
I ain't
crime,
never
so
did
he
nothing.
didn't know what was going on.
Wait 1 second. I'm trying to figure out, because here's the thing, Mr. Campbell, we can't fix it. If it's wrong, we can't fix it if we can't have you here. So do you have a car or a way to get to Taylor? Yes or no?
I mean, we'll try to get in the lift next time, but it was like $65 this morning.
All right, then here, listen, I'm gonna let you come on Zoom again. But normally I'd make someone come in person, but I'm gonna let you come on Zoom, but listen to me, you cannot be a minute late for court. You have to show up on time because you need the complainants here at the same time you're here so that the attorneys can talk and it can be resolved. So showing up late, that just means you got to keep coming back. And if you're late again, I'm going to make you drive here or make you get a lift.
We apologize.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know about this. I don't even know about nothing about court.
It's all right. Don't, Mr. Campbell, just take a breath. We're getting through it. Those are your bond conditions. Okay. And I'm going so we'll set a new date. And I'm writing all parties can appear on Zoom.
I guess the car.
But here, Mr. Campbell, you got your attorney. You talk to your attorney. You can't talk to me about the case because I'm a neutral party. That's why you have an attorney, okay?
Okay.
But we're gonna mail you a new court date, and I see your mother with a pen and paper. Ms. Campbell, if the two of you don't receive something in the mail within the next week or so, just call the court. And the phone number for the court's on your notice, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're all set for today, Mr. Campbell. We'll send you that new court date in the mail, and I am allowing you to appear on time on Zoom.
I will be there on time. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, and I'm gonna submit a discovery order on that.
All right, and I'll sign a discovery order as well, so your attorney can get all the paperwork. All right, you're all set. You can log off.
Okay, thank you. Y'all have a good day.